Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a calendar to a channel in one of your teams in Microsoft Teams. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to navigate to the channel of the team that you want to add the calendar in. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the Add a Tab button. Okay. And then what you want to do is search for Calendar. Okay. And you want to go ahead and click on Channel Calendar. Okay. This is going to bring up the channel calendar app details. You want to go ahead and click on Add. And then Microsoft Teams is going to ask you to give this calendar a name. So I am going to call this Finance Team Calendar. Okay, and you can choose whether you want to post an announcement to this channel that you've added the calendar. And then you want to go ahead and click Add. And there you go. You can now see that your calendar has been added as a tab in your channel. Okay. Now you can go ahead and add events, schedule meetings in this calendar as you would in your calendar in Microsoft Teams or as you would in Microsoft Outlook. So to create an event, you just want to click on your slot, or you can click on Add a New Event. You want to go ahead and enter a title for your meeting. So I'm just going to call this team meeting. Now you can add any individuals to a meeting in a calendar in your channel. So for example, I can start typing any colleague's name and invite them to this meeting. So it doesn't necessarily have to be individuals who are a member of that team per se. And then you want to go ahead and select your date and time. I'm just going to leave this as is. You can set a cadence in case this is a recurring meeting. And here you'll notice that this is going to automatically be added to the finance team general channel, again, because this is a channel calendar. Okay, you can go ahead and then enter in the details for your meeting. Okay, now before I go ahead and send this, you can also click on the scheduling assistant if you wanted to check individuals' availability. Okay, so you can see here it's only going to show the availability for the individuals that I have added to this meeting invitation. And I am now going ahead and click on send in order to create this event. Okay, and as you can see here, this team meeting now appears in the calendar that we've added in this particular channel. Okay, now one of the other cool things when working with channel calendars is if you click on the post tab of this channel, Teams is also going to create a channel post to indicate that this meeting has been scheduled in this channel. Okay, and clicking on this channel post will actually bring up the meeting invitation. Now, from a permission perspective, when you add a channel calendar to a channel in a team, any member of the team can add events to the calendar, okay, and can edit events of the calendar. So there aren't necessarily any restrictions. So that's just a quick overview of how to add a calendar to a channel in a team in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please like it, please add a comment below, and please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest Microsoft Teams tutorials. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.